South Bend Mayor Pete Buttigieg was on Meet the Press this morning, and Chuck Todd asked him about President Trump's statement about opposition research from a foreign government.
A hostile foreign power successfully attacked our democracy in the last election, and there's no indication that they're going to back off from trying to do it in the next election. That's why it's shocking to hear the president say what he said. Then again, he specializes in shocking us so that we can't talk about anything else.
Would you ever look at it?
Now, Buttigieg will face off against Democratic opponents next week in the first primary debate. Former Vice President Joe Biden, Senator Bernie Sanders, and Kamala Harris will join Buttigieg on that first night. Then the second night features Senators Elizabeth Warren, Cory Booker, and Amy Klobuchar. You can watch the debates right here on Channel 13. It's June 26th and June 27th.